Hey guys, welcome. So how do you cash out from Solana from basically Phantom Wallet? So it's really easy because once you've accommodated and inputted your email on whichever crypto website, crypto application you want to have, it basically links up if I'm making any sense here, it basically links up the accounts here and especially the email. So you could basically find Solana here on the options here. See? And you could basically work your magic from here and do your cash out basically and retrieve QR codes, anything. So as long as you have the emails matched with the other account that you have, the other platform that you have, then you'll be good to go from there, especially the QR codes here. See? So that's just basically it. So here goes the QR code. You could copy paste this, especially if you do the BTI basically. So it's very efficient that they've installed this new QR code thing. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.